This is your homework helper, Mrs. Anderson. Today I will help you with your review, your Chapter 7 review. Please have your homework page ready and let's begin. We're starting with number 6, and these items that we're going to do is evaluate each expression. The standard that we're working on is using parentheses, brackets, and braces. So as I look at number 6, I'm going to do parentheses and parentheses before I multiply, but I see an exponent in here. So I need to do 2 to the second power, which means 2 times 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. And then I'll do 2 times 4. 2 times 4 is 8. And I'll do the other parentheses. 4 plus 7 is 11. And then I'll do 8 times 11. And the answer goes here. Number 7. Okay, right here I have 7 squared, or 7 to the second power. That means 7 times 7. Okay, be careful. It doesn't mean 7 times 2, like I was going to do. So this will be 49 plus 3. And then after you get 49 plus 3, you'll subtract 9. Then we have brackets, so once you have the answer to this, then you'll times by 10 and write the answer here. All right, and you'll continue to do the same thing on each one. This one, you'll do parentheses, parentheses, and then add. On number 9, you'll go clear to the middle and do the parentheses first. Then whatever the answer is here, you'll add to 3, so you'll go to the brackets, and then you'll do the braces and write the answer. Same thing here. What you want to make sure that you're very careful of is this is 3 times 3 times 3 is what 3 to the third power means. And right here, you'll do 3 times 3. All right, looking at the next part. Now you're going to write numerical expressions. So you'll look at what it says, like right here it says divide 18 by 3, then add 9. If we divide 18 by 3, we're going to start with 18 and then divide by 3. Then, when I see the word then, I like to use parentheses. I don't always need the parentheses, but it is helpful. Then it lets me know for sure what to do first. Here I have subtract 5 from 13. Now be careful, really careful of this. When I subtract 5 from 13, that means start with 13 because it's the big number, and subtract 5 from the 13. Then add the product of 3 and 7, and remember that product is multiplication. So you will, when I see then, that tells me do parentheses, add the product of 3 and 7, so I'll write 3 and 7 down with parentheses and then add. All right, number 14, I'm going to compare two numerical expressions without evaluating them. So here I have 12 times 2, and here I have 12 times 2 times 2. So I can see that part of the expression is the same. Both expressions contain the same multiplication expression. Write the expression that is the same in both of them. Then in expression 2, the product is multiplied by, you'll write the answer. So expression 2 is how many times as large as expression 1? You'll write it here. All right, when you get to number 15, you're going to look for the letter A on our coordinate grid here, and then you'll write the ordered pair. So you'll look for the x-coordinate first, which is 1, and then I'll do the y-coordinate, so I'll need to go on the y-axis, and that is 3. Put a comma between them and put parentheses around when I write an ordered pair. All right, you'll continue to do that, and when you get to this part, then you will write the name of the point. So on this one, number 18, my x-coordinate is 5, so I'll go over 5, and my y-coordinate is 3, so I'll go up 3. Oh, there it is, and find the letter. The letter is H. So you'll do 2 more right here on your own. Okay, let's look at the back here. A store display will have 6 rows with 12 containers on each row. If 39 containers has been set up so far, explain how to find the number of containers that still need to be set up, then solve the problem. Okay, this one we didn't really work on, So I'm going to have you cross that one out, and we're going to move on to this one. Fashion for All Jeans has jeans on sale for $13. Designer Pants has jeans on sale for $26. Write the total cost of 1, 2, 3, and 4 pairs of jeans for each store, and then compare the total cost of 4 pairs of jeans. When we have this is when we write, okay, Fashion for All. And Fashion for All, we're doing 1, 2, 3, 4 pairs of jeans. Fashion for All's jeans are $13, so we'll need to continue the pattern. Okay, if 1 pair of jeans is $13, then I'll need to figure out how much 2 pair of jeans will be. Well, I'll have to add 13 to find that out. So I'll write 2, 3, and 4. Then I'll do Designer Pants and do the same thing. Here's 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair, 4 pair. Designer jeans are $26. Then I'll need to do the same thing. I'll need to add 26 each time. Then when I'm finished filling this out, I'm going to compare the total cost of 4 pairs of jeans. So I'll look at the number here and the number here and compare them. I'll look at them and see how they are similar or what I can say about them, like if one is 2 times more, 3 times more, or just write the difference. All right, let's look at number 23. Glenn swam 2 laps every morning for 7 days. In addition to the laps he swam each morning, he swam 3 laps with his friends on Tuesday and Wednesday. Write the expression that shows the number of laps he swam during the week. Evaluate the expression to find the total number of laps he swam for that week. All right, so if he swam 2 laps every morning for 7 days, you can write an expression for that. That will be the first part of the expression here. 2 laps for 7 days. In addition to these laps, he swam more. Well, right there it tells me what to do. I'm going to add, he swam 3 laps with his friends on Tuesday and Thursday. So you'll write that part of the expression, 3 laps, and count how many days. Then you're going to evaluate the expression and write the number of laps he swam that week. All right, and looking at 24 and 25, what is located at on the x-axis of 3 and the y-axis of 6, and write the ordered pair for the bookstore. Then on this one, number 26, refer to the graph for exercises 24 and 25, so the same one. If the y-coordinate of the grocery store was moved up 4 units, what would the ordered pair be of the grocery store? So here's the grocery store. If I move it up 4 units, 1, 2, 3, 4, now it'll be here. Imagine that the grocery store is there now, and go ahead and do the ordered pair. Thanks for watching this homework helper video. If you have questions, feel free to ask me tomorrow at school.